How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to a new episode of First Timers. Now today I'm just going to be doing a quick little video. I was having some turn signal issues where it was not blinking on one side, and then on the other side it would blink, maybe a couple times, and then it would just stop blinking altogether. And I was just like, oh man, what is going on? So I thought it was a wiring issue. I kind of went through all the wiring, just quick, and I remembered, I was like, oh man, there's flashers on this car, I should check that. So I went underneath and I was trying to locate the turn signal flashers. I found the hazards, which is right on the fuse box itself. But I'll kind of show you the hazards and the actual turn signal underneath the car, so if you guys are having trouble finding that, you can definitely go and find that on your El Camino. So anyway, this is for a 1970 El Camino, and you guys can definitely take a look. Alright guys, so as you can see, the first flasher location is actually located on the fuse box underneath the dash on the driver's side. So pretty much I'm on the driver's side. You can see the brake pedals and gas pedal there. But you can see that the flasher is right here, comes right out. Pretty much put in a new one here. So that was pretty easy to swap. But it was just one of those things that, if you remember, this car didn't have a windshield. So a lot of the stuff was kind of rusted. This was rusted in there pretty good, so it took me a little bit to get it out. But yeah, like I said, it wasn't too hard to do. Put it in, plugged it in. Now the second one's a little more of a pain. As we move away from the fuse box here, we're gonna move over to the steering column, which you can kind of see right here. And as we go up here, you're gonna see the actual flasher for the turn signals. And this one's located up high, and it's pretty much clipped in here by a little bracket, so it's pretty easy to pull up on and pull out. Once you pull it out here, you can pull it around the back, and the cable actually seems to be long enough to actually be able to swap it. Again, I just swapped some with some heavy-duty flashers, so I just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be an issue later on. I wanted to be able to hear that they're actually working, just in case I cut like the exhaust off or something like that. But anyway guys, very easy to get to. Like I said, this is pretty much a short video. Just drop it in, lock it in there, and it's pretty much back in its home. Again, that's hooked up to a bracket. I don't know if you guys can really see the bracket there. That's the bracket of the steering column, bolted up, and then there's a little screw here that pretty much locks in the holder here. Now on some other cars, for whatever reason, some people were saying that it was over by the radio. I didn't see that as true. It seems like a lot of these cars, they kind of locate them right around the steering column. Anyway guys, super easy to swap out, 12 volt, 2 lamp, and yeah, anyway, definitely hit that like button if you loved the video. If you also have any questions or anything like that, definitely let us know in the comments, or even if you guys want to tell us what flashers you use, or if there's a reason you use a particular flasher, that would actually be very cool. Right now I went for the loudest ones just because I wanted to be able to hear it over the sound of the car. But yeah, like I said, very easy to change out. Hopefully you guys loved the video. Anyway, peace, laters.